I'm Ash from Training and Inspection Services, and we provide training courses for API Individual Certification Program in 9 methods. That is API 510, Pressure Vessel Inspector, 570, Piping Inspector, 571, Corrosion and Materials, 580, Risk-Based Inspection, 653, Storage Tank Inspector, 1169, Pipeline Construction Inspector, Source Inspector, Fixed Equipment, and Source Inspector, Rotating Equipment. Today, I'm going to talk about our training program for API 577 Welding Inspection and Metallurgy Examination. If you are planning to take API 577 exam, we have 3 options for you. Option 1, mock exam package suitable for those who understand and can interpret codes and recommended practices, but need refreshing by going through important topics and questions. Flashcards and mock exam questions with 8 weeks, 24/7 course access, an option to upgrade to full course by paying the difference only. Option 2, full e-learning course explaining codes and recommended practices in sufficient details, plus all of the above with 4 months 24/7 course access and 100% pass rate or your money back. Option 3, 3 days classroom training plus full e-learning course access. If you are interested in our full e-learning course, here is what you should expect from us. API 577 Welding Inspection and Metallurgy course was 24 hours of study, has 21 lessons, 600 questions, 12 sets of flashcards and PowerPoint presentations, 4 hours of video clips, plus a certificate of completion at the end. API 577 Welding Inspection and Metallurgy training course has 14 modules, fully covering the publication effectivity sheet. That is API 577, ASME Section 5, and ASME Section 9. Module 1 explains body of knowledge and exam tips and has 20 sample questions. Is available to all for free. Module 2 explains body of knowledge and exam tips. Module 3 through 11, each module has detailed explanation of the reference documents and includes PowerPoint presentations for additional understanding. Module 12 has 6 sets of exclusive PowerPoint presentations so you can understand the basics of welding inspection, WPS, and WPQ. Module 13 has 6 sets of flashcards taken from highlights of modules and should be treated as potential exam questions. Module 14 has 400 questions within 4 sets of mock exams with explanations. The practice question for each module cross-checks your understanding of the concepts, while the flashcards helps reminding you the key points and can be used for quick referral. Our mock exam questions are in line with real API questions aimed at verifying your knowledge and how to apply them. Our training approach helps you solve any question within any context and scenario, since you would be capturing the concepts, principles, and theory rather than merely memorizing some numbers or facts without understanding the underlying reason of their applications. The depth of each topic or module covered is based on the expected number of questions. This would help spending your study time more efficiently and be more focused by concentrating on high-score exam topics. Please have a look at our course content to find out what you should expect to learn from each module and sub-module. We have also complemented our API 577 Welding Inspection and Metallurgy course with everyday knowledge that's expected from hands-on inspectors. All these, plus selective videos, exam tips, time management techniques, flashcards, PowerPoint presentations, quizzes, practice and mock exam questions with explanations, and many more. Our training course goes through 7 checkpoints reviewed by a team of SME subject matter experts. The course content is reviewed regularly based on the latest revision of publication effectivity sheet and body of knowledge. For those candidates who have enough knowledge and just need some fine-tuning only, we offer API 577 Welding Inspection and Metallurgy mock exam package that includes 600 questions, 12 sets of flashcards and PowerPoint presentations, and 1 hour of video clips. Those candidates who have already bought our mock exam package and wish to upgrade to our full course with money-back guarantee need only pay the difference. Study our first module and try our quiz for free. Pass first time or take the course again for free. We provide 120 days 24/7 course access and online support via WhatsApp and email. 100% pass rate guarantee or full refund if you fail. For any query, please write to us. help@inspectortraining.com or just text or call us on WhatsApp. We shall be happy to help. Thank you.